This only said a request by Li6707. It's only Chick Hicks steals ice cream from an ice cream truck / arrested.
Man, I cannot believe I got still grounded once again. Oh man, what am I going to do? Hey, looks like everyone's gonna get ice cream. I'm coming up right now. I gotta use the bathroom by the way. Ah man, now I'll be waiting for the ice cream truck today. But you know what? I gotta get some ice cream myself. Ha ha ha! There's some ice cream over there. Ka-chinga! 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 Yes! My ice cream is finally all mine.
Hey, what are you doing, Chick Hicks? You better put the ice cream right now.
I'm agreeing with Mrs. Azumi. You better put the ice cream back right now, before the ice cream man comes back.
I'm agreeing with Mr. Yasuki of our cream mill. You gotta put the ice cream back right away. Never. I will get you in this thing. Uh-oh. Just stand back, everyone. We're going to get beat up by Chick Hicks.
Ouch, that hurts.
Ow, 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 ow.
Ouch! Oh, that hurt my paint.
That hurts my paint.
Haha. Those two will win this lesson. Yeah! My ice cream is all mine! Yeah! Woohoo! Uh-oh, it's Ralph Cole. Chick Hicks, did you just steal ice cream in this thing for the ice cream truck? Yes, I finally did. That's it. I'm calling the police. No! Waiter, after Chick Hicks gets arrested from the police. Come with me, Chick Hicks. You're under arrest for stealing ice cream for the ice cream truck. You come with me, go to jail. I will get you, Ralph Cole! I will get you! Now this is your jail cell. You've been staying there for 3 months. Also, you have a visitor to talk to you. Chick Hicks with nugget hits. I could not believe it tried to try to steal ice cream from the ice cream truck, or else you got arrested. That is it. You're grounded until your 3 months of your jail time is over. But Lightning McQueen, I couldn't do anything. That's enough, Chick Hicks. Go to sleep right now. Go straight to bed. Or there'll be no more ice cream for the rest of the week. Oh man. Now I'm gonna have to stay in jail for 3 months. Oh man. I wish I could get out of jail. Hey, where's all my customers? I was have my customers in morning today. Where's all my customers for my ice cream today? Sorry for the interruption today. I've got the ice cream back for you, but only for that. Chick Hicks try to steal this ice cream again. What? Okay. Chick Hicks will now won't get ice cream anymore. So I will get ice cream to set up a restraining order for Chick Hicks. Anyways, thanks for getting my ice cream back. You're welcome. See you later.